Hi, this is Nirupam, and welcome to Channel Health and Alerts. Today, let's explore the robotic vacuum cleaning of your house that can save you time and effort in maintaining the hygiene of your house. Amazon links for all these items are provided in the description section. Having a smart home is all the rage these days, but a robot vacuum is a pretty underrated piece of equipment for emulating a smart home experience. A robot vacuum cleaner uses advanced technology to automatically clean your floors while you're away or busy doing other things. Another main advantage is how thoroughly a robot vacuum cleans the corners of your home better than you. These robot vacuums often have advanced features such as edge detection and multi-surface capability, ensuring that all areas of your home are clean and dust-free. How does a robot vacuum cleaner help you? 1. It saves time. 2. It cleans different home surfaces. 3. It cleans hard-to-reach places. 4. It's ideal for pet owners. 5. It offers app control. And 6. It requires low maintenance. Cleanliness is next only to godliness. Based on the latest offerings on Amazon, here are the top 3 domestic robotic vacuum cleaners, along with their key features and prices. ECOVACS DEEBOT Y1 Pro 2-in-1 Robot Vacuum Cleaner, 6,500 pascals powerful suction, 5,200 mAh battery, covers over 3,500 square feet in one charge, advanced navigation technology, and true mapping, black. About ECOVACS DEEBOT Y1 Pro 2-in-1 Robot Vacuum Cleaner, world number 1 in robot vacuum cleaners. ECOVACS offers an unparalleled cleaning experience. Over the years, ECOVACS has emerged as the highest-selling robot vacuum cleaner brand. ECOVACS robots come with cutting-edge technology, advanced mapping, efficient cleaning, and smart app controls. ECOVACS robots are specially equipped to handle different floors like tile, wooden, carpet, and marble, and are very efficient in cleaning edges. Vacuum and mop in one go. DEEBOT Y1 Pro does simultaneous vacuuming and mopping in a single pass. 6,500 pascals suction power. With an impressive 6,500 pascals suction power, the Y1 Pro effectively removes dirt, debris, and pet hair, leaving no dead corners behind. 320 minutes runtime. Powered by a 5,200 mAh battery, the Y1 Pro can clean up to 4,000 square feet on a single charge, offering up to 320 minutes of continuous cleaning. Carpet sensor technology. DEEBOT Y1 Pro intelligently identifies carpets, avoiding them in mopping mode and boosting suction power in vacuuming mode for superior performance. Ultra-slim design. With a body width of just 33 centimeters, the Y1 Pro can easily navigate narrow spaces, ensuring efficient cleaning in tight areas like under furniture. LiDAR navigation and true mapping. Equipped with LiDAR technology, the Y1 Pro quickly and accurately maps your home, allowing for precise and systematic cleaning routes. Sense it, avoid it. Using a combination of LiDAR and bumper sensors, the ECOVACS Y1 Pro can avoid household items and obstacles, ensuring smooth and uninterrupted cleaning. Smart App Control. The ECOVACS Home app allows remote control of the ECOVACS Y1 Pro, enabling users to adjust settings such as suction power, water flow, cleaning modes, and scheduling options for a personalized cleaning experience. Price Rs 22,990. Next is the Dreame L10 Prime Robot Vacuum Cleaner, with a 7mm mop lift, self-cleaning mop, LDS navigation, 4,000 pascal suction, 3-dimensional mapping, and Wi-Fi, app, and Alexa compatibility. About the Dreame L10 Prime Robot Vacuum Cleaner. Automatic cleaning is a breeze. The intelligent program of the L10 Prime Vacuum Robot with mopping function automatically washes the mops after each cleaning session. The air dryer prevents mold and bacteria growth, ensuring effortless freshness. Better cleaning is guaranteed with 7mm rising mops for carpet cleaning. With the rising mops of the Dreame L10 Prime Vacuum Robot, your carpet does not get wet. This avoids having to wipe the mop when returning to the base station and prevents further soiling of the carpet. 2 rotating mops make scrubbing sauces or spilled cola from the floor a breeze. The mops with 2 spinners imitate the rotation by hand and remove household dirt in no time. Strong suction power is a standout feature. 4,000 pascal power ensures powerful, easy absorption of dirt and hair. Adjustable suction power is suitable for different surfaces such as hardwood floors, cracks, corners, or carpets. LDS navigation and 3-dimensional mapping make the Dreame L10 Prime Vacuum Robot's technology plan the route intelligently to avoid repeating cleaning processes for effective cleaning. With 3-dimensional maps in the app, you can visualize usage details and virtually design your home. Price rupees 34,999. And the next is the ILIFE, a 20 Pro robot vacuum cleaner and mopping. It features 6,500 Pascal strong suction, advanced LiDAR navigation, customized cleaning up to 4,500 square feet, a 5,200 mAh battery, Wi-Fi app, Alexa, and Google Home compatibility. It's ideal for cat and dog hair. About this item, the control method includes a smartphone app, Alexa, and Google Home. The cleaning modes are path pattern, edge mode, spot mode, and Y shape. Surface recommendations include hard floor, tiles, granite flooring, mosaic flooring, wooden flooring, vitrified tiles, balcony tiles, cemented flooring, and carpets. Special features include auto carpet boost, roller brush, anti-collision, anti-dropping, bumper sensors, side brushes, dust tank, and mop tank. ILIFE Robotic Vacuum Cleaner is the ideal solution for keeping homes free from dust, debris, hair, and other small particles. You no longer need to depend on a third party to clean your house. Traditional brooms tend to make dust fly, causing it to settle on the floor and furniture. The ILIFE Robotic Vacuum Cleaner picks up dust directly from the ground, ensuring that it captures 99.99% of dust particles and leaves nothing behind. Price rupees 19,899. When selecting a robotic vacuum cleaner, consider factors such as suction power navigation technology, battery life, and smart home integration to ensure it meets your specific cleaning needs. Links from Amazon for all these items are provided in the description box to evaluate and decide on the brands that would suit your requirements. Check out Amazon for real-time features and prices. Cleanliness is next only to godliness. Thanks for being with the channel Health and Alerts. Take care.